Item number 19, presentation of a proclamation declaring April 2026 as American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month. Vice Mayor.
Thank you. And welcome. The City of Pleasanton proclaims April 2026 as American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month. Whereas enriched by the diversity of its residents, the City of Pleasanton takes pride in supporting individual religious freedoms for all and is strengthened by the contributions made by the many diverse religious and cultural traditions of its residents, including those who practice Islam. And whereas Alameda County is home to over 90,000 Muslims who make innumerable contributions to the cultural, political, and economic fabric and well-being of our city, county, state, and nation. And whereas tonight we have members from both the Muslim Community Center of the East Bay and the Islamic Center of Zahra who have served their community members by holding spiritual workshops, children's learning programs, and volunteering opportunities, and partnered with Prosper International to support community members in need of assistance and facing unemployment by creating a program that connects community volunteers to vulnerable elderly community members. And whereas through the Islamic practice of zakat, local Muslim organizations help give back to the community by providing grocery deliveries and financial assistance to local families, delivering 25,000 pounds of food to 150 families weekly, and providing living expenses to more than 50 East Bay families per month. And now, therefore, be it resolved that the Pleasanton City Council does hereby proclaim April 2026 as American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month to acknowledge the rich history and contributions of American Muslims in our community, and may it have a lasting positive impact for our city, state, and nation. April 21st, 2026.
Thank you so much. Good evening, respected members of the City Council and the members of the audience. My name is Ahsan Kazmi, and on behalf of the Islamic Center of Zahra, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to the City of Pleasanton and the City Council for this recognition. Muslim Awareness Month is a meaningful opportunity to build, bridge, and highlight the shared value of compassion, service, and community. We appreciate the city commitment to celebrating diversity and ensuring that every community feels seen, respected, and valued. At the Islamic Center of Zahra, our doors are always open. We believe that by coming together and learning from one another, we can foster a stronger, more inclusive environment for all. Thank you once again for the honor. We look forward to continue our partnership with the city and contributing to the vibrant spirit of the community. God bless America.
Thank you, sir.
Hold on a second. We also have one other speaker on this topic, so we'll do that at this time. Adnan Dawood, also welcome.
Thank you. Good evening, Mayor and Council and members of the public. It is an honor and privilege to speak here tonight as a member of the Muslim Community Center of East Bay, located right here in Pleasanton, or affectionately known as our masjid or mosque. The state of California has designated the month of April as the American Muslim Appreciation and Awareness Month, and on behalf of the approximately 20,000 Muslims of the Tri-Valley area, I'm truly grateful to the city of Pleasanton for presenting this proclamation to the Muslim community. I'm joined today by fellow members of the Muslim Community Center, some who are watching online. This is the 10th year for this designation by the state of California, and the 4th year this proclamation has been presented by the Pleasanton City Council. This designation aims to honor and recognize contributions and diverse history of Muslims in the state of California while fostering inclusion, combating Islamophobia, and addressing discrimination. While Muslims have lived in the United States since the founding of this country, very little is known or understood about us, and oftentimes we are misunderstood. These declarations help promote understanding of Muslim heritage and values, bring about familiarity, and recognize community contributions of Muslims as your neighbors, colleagues, doctors, service members, teachers, first responders, and many others you may interact with on any given day. The Muslim Community Center in Pleasanton is a vibrant regional mosque which brings children, adults, old and young together for worship, healing, and community programs. We serve the larger community with blood drives, voting drives, highway cleanups, 3 times a week food distributions, homeless outreach, mental health workshops, social and interfaith events. Most importantly, we host 4 congregations for our Friday prayer services to better manage parking issues. Additionally, we host an ESL, English as a Secondary Language class, serve as a Red Cross disaster site, and strive to be an environmental friendly location with our recycling and conservation policies, as well as being a special needs accessible site. To summarize, we're a proud part and parcel of our community and of Pleasanton. And I can tell you this recognition makes a world of difference to Pleasanton residents who are Muslim. So again, on behalf of members of the Muslim Community Council, we thank you for this proclamation and recognition. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
If you could join us for a photo, we'd very much appreciate it.
I took some already. Thank you very much.